This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced ID card script for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. You just have to scroll down over here. These are the dependency of the script. The script will cost you around 20 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading the script, we will receive these two files. We have to install them into our FiveM resources. So I'll be installing them over here. Just like this. Now open the advanced ID cards folder. Now go to settings, public, server, then cfg.lua. Over here we have to provide API key from FiveManage. For that, come to the website of FiveManage. The link will be in the description below. After that, click on get started, select your team, click on API keys. After that, click on create token. So let's create a new token over here. So I'll be giving it a name of IDs. Then token type is going to be for media. After that, click on create token. Now copy the token. After that, paste it over here. Just like this. Now go to client folder, then cfg.lua. So this is a configuration of ID card, and this is a configuration for name, location and ped model from where you can purchase the ID card. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And this is the price of the ID card over here. The default one is going to be for $500. This is the configuration for gun permit location. This is a configuration for driving license. This is a configuration for fake ID card. So this is the configuration from where you can create your own custom cards. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now come to the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. Scroll down over here. Then copy the items code. Now open your aux inventory, data, then items.lua. So I'll be pasting the items over here. Just like this. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure the scripts in the server.cfg. For that, copy the name of the script, open the server.cfg, then ensure them over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the ped standing over here. You can interact with the ped with your target eye and get your ID card. And this is the location over here, as you can see. Now use your target eye, click on buy new ID card, then click over here. So you will get this type of menu. Now press spacebar to take a photo. After that, press enter to confirm. So as you can see, we got a brand new ID card over here. Now let's use this ID card. After when you use this ID card, you will get two options over here. First one is for view ID card and the second option is for show ID. So let's view this ID. So as you can see, this is the look of the ID card over here. The second option is for show ID. If you click over here, you can show your ID card to other person. So as you can see, it is showing no player nearby. You can show it to nearby player. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.